Alright, here we're after this good old woodpecker. Oh. You got it?
Yeah, ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. Shoot it.
Where is it? Oh. Ready?
Yeah. He waxed it. Yes. You think people are getting pissed?
I don't care.
Are we not? Is it?
Let's go find the kid.
Here, you take this.
I'm shaking after shooting a little bird.
I don't think you're supposed to be doing this when you're deer hunting, John.
Why? Well, okay.
Yeah, I guess you can shoot at anything you want.
Okay.
I mean, people just don't do it because they're normally trying to see deer.
Yeah. Did you hear how far that echoed?
This is a far shot.
I know. Where's that bird though? I want to find it, man. Where did I... You remember what tree I shot it out of?
Oh, I should have put my eye on. Yeah.
I'll resume. Oh, I see him.
Your gun's really a semi-automatic.
Oh, no, yeah.
Where did you even hit him?
Right in there.
It doesn't even look bad.
Right there.
Right where? His wing?
Right there. Mauled it.
That was very nice.
That was... Okay, enough.